Homework packet for C, lesson 410, problem number 6. Rewrite theorem 4.1 and 4.2 using the nested triangles shown here as a reference. So we have triangle ABC, and we have another triangle, we have DE. So the theorem 4.1 says if DE is parallel to BC, then AD divided by AB should be equal to AE divided by AC, also DE divided by BC. That's what the theorem 4.1 says. You see, whatever the length is, take that divided by AB is the same as AE divided by AC and also DE divided by BC. Theorem 4.2 says backwards. If AD divided by AB and AE divided by AC is the same, if you get the same quotient, then DE is parallel to BC. So problem number 6 is asking, make each theorem as specific as possible and explain in your own words. Number 7, standardized test. You have triangle ABC. Inside, D lies on AB. Oh, by the way, that's not midpoint. That doesn't have to be midpoint. That could be midpoint. And also, E lies on AC. Suppose DE is parallel to BC. Which proportion is not correct? Is it true to say AD divided by AB equals AE divided by AC? If so, A is not the correct answer, because you're looking for the one that is not correct. Problem number 8. The parallel side splitter theorem says that a segment parallel to a side of a triangle with endpoints on the other two sides splits the other two sides proportionally. Tammy Jo has 3 sayings that help her remember this. Whole is to part as whole is to part. Part is to part as part is to part. Part is to whole as part is to whole. What do these sayings mean? That's it.